Let me tell you, the #1 mistake homeowners make that costs them time, money, and peace of mind when it comes to buying a new roof. When it's time for a new roof, many homeowners find themselves overwhelmed with choices, including traditional asphalt shingles, wood shakes, or even clay tiles. But here's the shocker. These materials may not be your best bet. The truth is, roofing materials like asphalt shingles begin to degrade as soon as they're installed. Once homeowners realize this, they want to choose stronger, better, more reliable roofing materials. That's where metal roofing comes in. As a homeowner, choosing a metal roof may be the smartest choice for your home. The first mistake people make is ignoring the incredible durability of metal roofs. Unlike other roofing materials, metal is designed to stand strong during North Carolina's harshest weather, like hurricane winds and extreme heat and rainstorms. Homeowners who made the switch to a Gator Metal roof said they had no idea how important durability was until they switched to a metal roof. They found it amazing how it can withstand extreme weather without the need for any repairs. But that's not all. The second mistake people make is failing to consider the energy efficiency benefits of metal roofs. Did you know that metal reflects solar radiant heat, keeping your home cooler in the summer and reducing your air conditioning costs? Homeowners who made the switch to a Gator Metal roof said they were fed up with their high energy bills. But once we installed their metal roof, they noticed the difference. Their home stays cooler in the summer and they save money every month, and Gator Metal Roofing even has the 40% energy savings pledge. So if you're a homeowner in need of a new roof, don't make these two mistakes. Choose metal roofing for unbeatable durability, energy efficiency, and protection. Upgrade your home for a lifetime of protection with a Gator Metal roof. Call us now to schedule your free estimate.